The graph of the linear equation passes through the points point 1 and point 2. The graph also passes through the point 27/4 and A. Where is the value of A? So I found this question pretty dismissible, and I'll show you how to solve this question. So read it carefully and try to do it yourself. Okay, so in the first sentence, it's clear that we have 2 points, point 1 and point 2. So with 2 points, we can actually create the equation of the linear function, and I'll show how. So in the Desmos, you have to type table or create a table using the plus sign and table. Okay, so and set the given points into the table and 65 over 2 or 2. So that's it. And when I click here, and I'm getting the exact linear function, linear equation that I needed. So this is the function of this linear equation. So the next thing I want to do is just copy this equation, and I want to make another table consisting of this equation. So what I will do is just press edit list or settings and create a table specifically for this equation. So these are the list of points for x, and these are the list of points for y. In our case, it will be y. And let's move to the question. The graph also passes through the point. Well, so it means, so this means x is equal to 27/4. So when x is 27/4, our y is gonna be equal to a. So the last thing we want to do is just set this point into the second table, and I'm gonna get this point, and this will be our answer. So I can make it more clear. I delete it. So I think that's the answer, and that's equal to 20.25, and that is equal to 81/4. That's it.